Thank you very much. You thought there was nothing left to be said, I know, and there won't be much. But this has been both exciting and terrifying to watch and be a part of. I remember when we thought that the legislature might not pass the bill. That was a terrifying concern, and it was very, very thankful. We all were very thankful when it turned out they did pass it, and we took a great moment of relief, only to think, uh-oh, this has to help some way through the federal government. And that's how we became so interested in the daily activities of Senator Blunt. But thanks to his good efforts, this is a reality. But as everyone has already said, a lot of people are involved in this. The state legislature and our own local legislators had a big role to play in that. We thank them. We thank the governor, the lieutenant governor, and all those on the executive level that have contributed so much to make this work. And as the governor said, all differences were put aside in order to make this happen. So it's really for the people of Boone County, and I'll speak for Cooper County too if I can, Don. It's a life-saving result. Without this bridge, we would have been economically devastated for so long in so many ways. So thank you to everyone that's been involved. I also want to mention the Columbia Chamber of Commerce, which stepped up and took a very active hand in getting the word out in a local way. So we're fortunate to have people from all walks of life and all interests involved, and we just thank everyone that's been involved. So let's hope that we get to see that the day when we drive across that bridge and have a real party. So thank you.